Okay, number 1 Delta Kilo, when able, report the totem site.
Report when in sight, 1 Delta Kilo.
Like,
In Josh Bridge, we're going to have to get lower if we're going to get a visual. 7-1 Delta Kilo.
The city maintain 8,000.
8,000. 7-1 Delta Kilo.
November 1 Delta Kilo, center maintain 6,000.
6,000, 1 Delta Kilo. What's pattern here? I think it's fuel right there.
no.
No?
No, that one is Sky Parlor. Directly ahead, I'm looking. Got to be that one right there.
I don't see a runway. I don't know if it's on the other side of that ridge. Yeah, we're only 9 miles away. We should be able to see it. What did you say pattern was?
31.5.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, Foxford Airport, you're 12 o'clock and 7 miles.
Here we have fuel inside, 1 Delta Kilo.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, Roger, clear visual approach, runway 24.
24, 7-1 Delta Kilo.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, contact Fox Tower.
Contact Tower, 1 Delta Kilo. General Fox Tower, 7-1 Delta Kilo, descending through 8,000. We have information Kilo. Cleared for the visual 24.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, you're still transmitting on Josh approach.
Thank you. General Fox, 7-1 Delta Kilo, descending through 7,500, cleared for the approach visual 24. We have Kilo.
November 71 Delta Kilo, Fox Tower, on our right base, runway 24.
Right base 24, 7-1 Delta Kilo. Okay, so let's...
Slow her down. 5, 4. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're flying. Rich.
Touch all aircraft, data information. Lima is now current, wind 220 at 18, gust 26, altimeter 298.
We richened it up, didn't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bonanza 71 Delta Kilo, runway 24, clear to land.
24 cleared to land, 7-1 Delta Kilo. Tell me pattern again.
Pattern is 31. We'll get it. Go a little wider. There you go. Four, 8. Four, 6. Get it. right down the runway. Go. That headwind should pull us in nice.
Wind 210 at 18.
210 at 18, okay.
Okay, right down the old chute. There we go. Looking good. Coming from that way just a little bit, but
Minimums.
'93 looking
Fire
good.
watch 5-1, Fox Tower, Fox altimeter 298, 8 is information Lima current.
Looking good. You got one red. We're in.
Okay, we don't get that at the tower, but I'll call Joshua and see if it's in the system, and if it is, you're going to want to copy that, is that correct? Okay, is the full call sign 50 X-ray? Roger, I'll get right back to you.
Go. Just off to the left a little. Alright. I'm going to float. 80. There we go. Very nice. You're in. There's the fuel. I see it. They're very good.
Okay, JW.
What's ground?
Bonanza 1 Delta Kilo, taxi to parking via Alpha this frequency. We'll see you.
Alright, your taxi to parking 1 Delta Kilo.
And Firewatch 50 X-ray. They don't show it right now. He's gonna look for it. Josh is looking for it, and they'll call me right back. What's your destination in the flight plan?
Okay.
We gotta be across terrestrial. Okay, your plane.
I plane. God, we landed here before. I hated this place.
Why?
This is where I brought the